Organizations and people who work with the differently abled always strive for one aspect: an inclusive society. Simple things like watching a movie like other moviegoers, speaking in a public forum, all this is possible with a little help from technology. Students of IIT Madras recently showcased a potentially path-breaking innovation called Touch Talk. This device can convert text to speech and help those with speech difficulties. Touch Talk has a touch keypad with the alphabets of the Devanagari script. The keypad is connected to a computer that uses Linux to convert text to speech.
As we make movements on a touch screen, we trace the coordinates that we make, convert it into a text file, and the text file is then put into effective real speech in real time. Unique features of this is involving using neural networks and using a speech engine developed by our own IIT Madras department that is very indigenous. And another point is we aim to make it very affordable to the common people.
The team behind Touch Talk is trying to make its prototype smaller, portable and multilingual in Indian languages. Future versions will also be more sensitive to finger pressure, which means the longer you press down on K, the sound will vary from K to the more pronounced K.
For Touch Talk, we have used a SAW touchscreen. SAW is SAW, stands for Surface Acoustic Wave Technology. Right now in the industry, SAW surfaces is what is being used because it is sensitive to pressure, and moreover it is sensitive, it has a longer lifespan because touchscreens are generally at this stage a bit on the higher expensive scale, but point is, and most of them tend to lose their sensitivity over time, but SAW has been compared to be the best in that aspect.
Recently, the Ability Foundation in Chennai organized a 4-day International Disability Film Festival. Multimedia company Real Image introduced a new technology by which visually challenged people can enjoy watching movies in a theatre along with other movie lovers. As a first, Amir Khan's Tare Zameen Par carried an audio description between dialogues that described the visuals playing on the screen. The film clips also had captioning.
किसान ने 2 टैडपोल को पकड़कर अपनी पानी की बोतल में डाल लिया है और वो उन्हें अपनी पानी की बोतल में देखकर बहुत खुश हो रहा है। उसने कुछ और टैडपोल्स को पकड़ने की कोशिश की, तभी अचानक स्कूल बस का ड्राइवर गुस्से में आया है। गटर में मुंडी डाल के बैठा है ना, 10 मिनट से बस रुका हुआ करेंगे।
One is the audio description, which is transmitted in a low-powered FM signal, and this signal can be picked up by any FM portable radio like a mobile phone. We are basically projecting all the films digitally, and digital cinema has a large number of soundtracks, not just 6 like we have in analog film, but up to 16 tracks. So we're using 2 additional tracks for this descriptive dialogue, and also encrypting the captions along with the film.
The mobile phone will eventually be one of the most useful gadgets for the differently abled. Put your hands together for it.
The Srikanth dribbles, slides and scores in a game of FIFA 10. Watch out for our review of the game.